Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will unbox the earrings from Cleef And Arpels that I have recently purchased, and I'm so excited to show this to you. By the way, if you like my content, please consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about jewelry, luxury goods shopping, Dior, Chanel bags, weekly vlogs, travel vlogs, style and fashion, and beauty products. And please also consider checking out my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Well, before I start unboxing the earrings, I also want to show you what I picked up from Chanel Beauty. I'm still avoiding Chanel fashion after that horrendous experience that I had with their salesperson. By the way guys, if you haven't watched the video about it, I will link it down in the description box below for you guys. I still have very bad memories, they're very fresh in my mind, so I think it's gonna be a while before I go back to the store. At least I don't have such horrendous experience with their beauty products. Their essays are so lovely and I like the quality of their items. I actually have a lot of Chanel perfumes and I like them a lot. And let me show you the eyeshadow that I use all the time. I just literally use this one. I love that it's long lasting, and nowadays when we have to wear masks all the time, I feel like I have to make extra effort with my eyeshadow, with my eyes, because I can't use anything else. Like there's no point using lipsticks, there's no point even using cover, like I don't use anything. I also love their pencils, they're very good and they don't smudge like other ones that I tried. So yeah, I always go for the same items from Chanel Beauty. And now it's time to move to the VCA purchase. I'm so excited to show it to you. I really love these earrings. Of course, I was planning to get them in December actually. I was supposed to get them for my birthday in January, but then I thought I'll just get them in December because probably VCA will sell out so many items, because even last time when I was filming shopping vlogs in VCA, they didn't have so many sizes, so many different items were sold out, so I thought I'll just secure them in December. But then the price increase happened, so I had to pull the trigger in September. And I know that I'll be wearing them a lot because nowadays we are working from home and I usually wear t-shirts, jeans, and I just need statement earrings like that to elevate the whole outfit. And I'm so excited. I'm so glad I pulled the trigger and got these ones, because actually on the day I had my doubts whether I should get these ones. I was tempted to get another style. I will show you which ones I was considering, and I will also show you how these ones look on me. And here they are, so beautiful. I like the fact that they are not very heavy, and that was a key factor that made me purchase them, because the other ones I was looking at were a bit heavy. I wouldn't be able to wear them more than 4 hours, and I already tried to wear these ones for 8 hours and I was totally fine. And you see that the bottom of the earrings is actually the same size as my magic size earrings. I just love mother of pearl in white color. It's my absolute favorite and I feel like I need more items. And here is my bracelet. You can see the top is exactly the same. So pretty. I will wear them together. I'm showing this to you and I feel like I need to have more items in Alhambra mother of pearl. Seriously, I'm getting so obsessed. By the way, I forgot to show you, I was also given this travel pouch. I get it with all my purchases. It's very useful. Sometimes I keep my jewelry in it, but sometimes I keep it in the boxes as well. But it's actually easier to pull it out from the travel pouch and it's easier to keep it this way. So 2 of them together. These are my favorites. Well, I still love free wall a lot. I love my free wall earrings. By the way, I will also link down all the free wall videos in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check them out. And this is how the earrings look on me on the day when I was purchasing them. I have recently uploaded the shopping vlog from that day, but I didn't include these earrings in there because I wanted to surprise you. And I will link down that video in the description box below for you guys, so you can check out all the items that I was trying, and all of them are so stunning. Anyways, back to the earrings. I feel like they look so great with a casual t-shirt and just a jacket. I know that they would look amazing with the dress as well. And they do look like they could be for a special occasion, but actually I'm someone who prefers larger earrings. I used to wear big earrings all the time, and especially my hair is now longer. I feel like smaller earrings would be hidden there completely, so I need to have something that would stand out, and white mother of pearl is so perfect, and it just looks so good on any skin tone. With every hair color, I just really like it. At first I was worried that it won't pop out, but actually it does, because it reflects the light. You can see it from far away. I really like it. And I also tried on the necklace, which I am considering. This is the 10 motif necklace. I feel like 2 of them might be a bit too much. By the way, this necklace is in the white gold, and on the day they didn't have the yellow gold in stock. I'm gonna think about this necklace for a while. I want to make sure that if I buy it, I'll be able to wear it a lot. Mother of pearl looks so good with casual outfits. It can elevate the whole look. I don't know, I can't decide. Is it better with necklace or without? Please let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Is the necklace too much here, or it's still okay? I don't want to look like a Christmas tree at the end. And imagine if I were to wear my bracelet, that probably would be way too much. I don't know. I have to think about it, and I will take a few months to think about this for sure. But this necklace is stunning. I feel like in the future I will be adding mother of pearl in white gold as well. I am just so obsessed. I can't help it. And my bracelet, you can see white gold versus yellow gold side by side. I really like this, so beautiful. And let me show you the other earrings that I was considering on the day, but these ones are a lot heavier. And I also tried them on in a different color. I showed this in my previous vlog. I'm still thinking about it. I kind of feel like there's no point adding another pair in the same color combination. I feel like it should be different at least, but I would have to think about it. I feel like onyx is a little bit too harsh on my skin tone, or maybe I just need to get used to it. I feel like mother of pearl looks a lot nicer. I like onyx, but I don't really like it on me. I prefer it on other people, especially on brunettes. I feel like it looks incredible. I don't know, something to think about, that's for sure. And here is another pair that I love. They are so cute and they look so nice with my jacket and a t-shirt. I like this color combination, but again, I will think about these ones. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please consider checking out my jewelry playlist. I have posted quite a few videos, mainly shopping vlogs, unboxings. I went to Cartier, VCA, and I also went to Bulgari. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!